Here's another problem from the fundamental theorem of calculus. So again, we're looking at the mean value theorem, and so the mean value theorem for f of x equals the square root of 81 minus x squared. Now, if that is not familiar to you, this graph would look like a semicircle with radius 9. Now we're looking at this one though from 0 to 9, so really it's just going to be that quarter circle, so we can kind of get rid of that part. I'm afraid if I do the eraser, it's just going to get rid of the whole semicircle, so that's fine. Let's draw this part. And the area of a circle is pi r squared, and they give this nice little hint that the area of a quarter circle is 1/4 pi r squared. So the area here is going to be 1/4 pi times 9 squared, or 81 pi over 4. So this part right here is just going to be 81 pi over 4. So our f of c is just going to be this function square root of 81 minus x squared. We put a c in place of the x. So the square root of 81 minus c squared is equal to this 1 over 9 minus 0 is 1 over 9. The integral from 0 to 9 of f of x dx, we found that graphically to be 81 pi over 4. So we can reduce the 81, and the 9 cleans it up a little bit, and we end up with the square root of 81 minus c squared equals 9 pi over 4. Now we're solving for the variable c, so that's our unknown. So we're going to square both sides. I know c represents a constant, but at this point we don't know what it is. So we have 81 minus c squared equals 81 pi squared over 16. We're going to subtract the 81 from both sides. And we have negative c squared equals 81 pi squared over 16 minus 81. And if I divide by negative 1, I would have c squared equals 81 minus 81 pi squared over 16. So c would be the square root of 81 minus 81 pi squared over 16. And let's put this in our handy dandy calculator and see what we come up with. In the calculator we have 5.5709. So this answer is 5.5709. And that's it.